All right, we are taking a look at number 8 on the back of page 5. Again, we are still with the unit circle and graphing. One thing that you will notice is that your number 8 does not actually have these parentheses. Sorry about, oh, wait, maybe, there we go. Sorry about that. I forgot to check the worksheet before I made the copies, and of course they were supposed to be there and they weren't. So what we are doing is we are going to find an amplitude. Okay, and the amplitude, remember, is always just the number that's in front of that sign. I hope that yellow is kind of showing up. I am not going to write -2. Amplitude is never, ever, ever, ever negative. The negative part of it just simply means that instead of, this is a sine, so I would start on and then go above and then on and then below. Instead of doing that, I'm going to go on and then below and then on and then above. So it just means that my graph has been flipped. But I am still going up and down 2, not 1. So my amplitude is 2. The next thing I need to look at is the period of the graph, meaning how long it takes for us to actually complete a cycle of on, above, on, below, on, or whatever 5-point pattern we have. I use the number in front of my theta. That number is a 1. I take the 2 pi, always, always, always 2 pi, 360 degrees, right? I always take that, and I divide it by whatever number is in front of theta. So this graph will be done, the cycle or pattern will be complete in 360 degrees. Okay. Then I need to look at phase shift, also known as horizontal shift. So phase or horizontal shift. Okay. And so what I do with this is I take my number, my pi over 4 here, whatever happens to be there, and I'm going to divide it by whatever happens to be in front of my theta. So it's going to be pi over 4 divided by 1, and so this is a pi over 4. Now, I have to have a direction, and we have to look at the sign here. And so basically, if it is a negative, we're going to the right. If it is a positive, we are going to the left. It's opposite of what you actually think will happen. So we're going to go right, pi over 4. Now, all of this means, guys, is that I go to the right 45 degrees before I actually start my pattern. Now, the one thing that you will notice is not here is I don't have, like, I'm not adding a 2 or subtracting a 7 or anything there. If I did have this here, that is my vertical shift, okay? And that goes in the direction that you actually think it will. So if it's a +2, that means I am going up 2, okay? So that's what you need for that one. I was going to do another one, but I think that's enough. I think we're okay with that one.